morning, gang. Well, today is our first drive. We're going to see if this little puppy works or not. We've got it all up on the trailer here. It is soaking wet, and apparently today it's going to be about a top of 4 degrees and feel like 1 degree. Holy crap. It's going to be wet and slippery and terrifying. I've still got my stock suspension in, so she's still at standard height. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Also, I don't think the door sill really seals, so I'm probably going to get a bit of water in there, which would be fun too. Anyway, look, I got some mates with me. It's going to be a good day, so we'll do a bit of filming and see what happens. Awesome. Thanks, mate.
Have a good one, mate.
Will do. Hey.
There you go.
Good, mate.
Is it a day license that you've got? Or
Yes, day license.
Yeah, I'll stick a D here, man.
Beautiful, thank you. And that's my...
Cool, wristband, helmets on, tucked up.
Yep.
Easy. When the light's green, you can go then.
Awesome, thank you, mate.
Alright.
How do you feel after the first successful cider?
Understeer's pretty good. Gotta remember it's a front wheel drive. No, it's good.
It's nice.
Yeah, definitely need that suspension. Bounces around a lot. Good though.
Looks good out there.
Yeah, it does.
Alrighty, so first run wasn't bad. The stock suspension's not that great and these tyres are pretty average, and it is very wet today. It's actually snowing at a similar altitude not far from here, so it's ridiculous. But yeah, the car's good, the engine's good, brakes are good, gearbox is good. Yeah, it worked out pretty well, so I'm going to go out for another run now. The track's really tricky, like there's lots of rollers where you don't know where you're going to turn, so anyway, we'll have a few more goes, see what happens. to have somewhat collapsed, but you know what, we're putting new shocks in anyway, it doesn't matter. Got some cool cars here today, got some Evos, we've got another XL over there, it's pretty cool. The Wagon, S3, Mustang, TTS, R31 for our friend Matty at Get Parts, and this truck here. Yeah, one hell of a track. It's a really cool place. It's starting to dry up a bit now, so yeah, it's starting to get a little bit of traction. And apart from the stuff suspension, the car's going really well. Engine's good, gearbox is good, brakes are really good. I'm stoked. So yeah, good times. Hopefully we'll get a few more runs before the day's out. We've got the pit crew here having lunch. Hey guys.
Nom,
Yum yum. What's on the menu?
Early
action.
And
Coke.
illegal beverages.
And a bit of Coke.
That's nice. Trailer's going well. Old man did a killer job. Volvo, the beast of doing everything great. My beautiful wife is hiding inside because it's too freaking cold. She's got her noodles. So I think my front suspension has collapsed. It wasn't that low this morning. I think we need these coilovers because that's how tall it was earlier. Cool, instant lowering, didn't have to pay for it. Alrighty guys, and that's it. So first day was good. The Nugget has survived. The suspension is clapped out and terrible, but everything else is good. The engine's good. I need to fix the short shift, the standard shifter's a bit shitty. I was crunching it a third a few times, but engine's good. Brakes are phenomenal actually, really surprising, really good. Yeah, it's just been awesome. So I'm really stoked. Started getting quicker and quicker around the track. I'm skipping around because the suspension can't be going and doing all that sort of business, so that's a bit crappy, but apart from that it's fantastic. So now we'll just get the suspension in there and find another track day to come and give it a thrash and see how different it is. So time to pack up this little guy on the trailer and we'll see you next time.